Welcome to Carsu, the most powerful tool to manage tire shops, car repair workshops, fast fitters, motor service centers, and even glass repair businesses. I'm Maria, Carsu Academy trainer. Let's walk through the Today section of your Carsu app, a powerful tool designed to give you an immediate overview of your daily operations, fast, simple, and totally hassle-free. Let's get started. Today module gives you a fast and clear snapshot of all vehicles coming in and going out of your workshop. With its neatly organized columns showing each vehicle's status, you can instantly see where every job stands. At the top of the screen, you see the date, which you can adjust to view past or future days' activities, giving you flexibility in managing your schedule. Let us provide a detailed explanation of the purpose of each column within the grid of the Today module. The expected column displays vehicles that are scheduled to arrive at the workshop on the current day. This information enables you to anticipate your workload and plan resource allocation effectively. Once a vehicle arrives and is checked in, it moves to the in-house column. These are the vehicles currently on your premises. When work begins on a vehicle, it shifts to in progress. This indicates active jobs being worked on by your technicians. After a job is completed, the vehicle moves to ready. These vehicles are awaiting customer pickup. The Carsu platform kindly requests that you send a WhatsApp message to notify the customer that their vehicle is ready for pickup. Once a customer has picked up their vehicle, it goes into the picked up column, signaling the completion of the service cycle. And the on hold column is for any vehicles where work has been temporarily paused, perhaps awaiting parts or customer approval. Thank you for watching Today module training session. Stay tuned for more how-to videos to make the most out of Carsu and level up your workshop's efficiency. Should you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact our support team or explore additional training resources in the Carsu Academy. We look forward to assisting you in the next module.